Hello fellow YouTubers, it's yours truly here, Mariana of Darkroomglamour, bringing your second Halloween makeup tutorial for 2015. As you can see, it's kind of crazy, kind of artistic, kind of however you want to put it, but it's my own swing of things. A photo I've inspired again on Pinterest. It's kind of bird-like, peacock-like, however you want to take it, but this is like a bird. So I got inspired by peacock colors, so I got your golds, greens, emerald greens, and teals, turquoises, whites, winged up to wazoo. Excuse this mess, I can't even explain it, but it's trying to look like I'm covered in feathers. And I sprayed my hair blue. You can go any color, but I think blue would have just settled perfectly because it's a theme going on here, a little theme going on here. So if you like it, this video will be fast-paced motion because there's a lot of details, a lot of this, a lot of that. Quick rundown of what I used. Use any blues, teals, greens, white especially, liquid eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner, and go at it. Have fun with it. You can go ahead, add crazy lashes if you like. I just put white from the NYX eyeshadow base, the white, and Hard Candy blue palette that I had, and Oldie But Goodie Urban Decay palette as well. And yeah, that's the look. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Bye. Finished look. I hope you guys like it. Went crazy with blue, lots of motion going on here. I came up with this look right here, is a close-up right here. Crazy, I know. I hope you enjoy, and make sure you like this video. Please comment below and follow me on my other social media, my Snapchat, my Darkroomglamour on Instagram. Periscope, if you guys know what Periscope is, follow me there. I do live makeup tutorials on there and other shenanigans and fun stuff. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more from Darkroomglamour. Until next time.